guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing another exciting Coach unboxing. So as you guys can see right here, I asked them to gift wrap my item. And yeah, look at that. They actually gave me the large gift box. That is like surprising. That's because this item that I have here that I have purchased is actually, it's a lightweight, but this one was just released I think last week, and I just recently got it. And yeah, I am so excited for this tote that I have. So it was actually wrapped nicely, beautifully. So if you're looking for an item on the Coach website, if you might want to have it gift wrapped, it's gonna look like this. So it is actually a gift ready. So anyway, let me just pull this ribbon right here. And okay, so okay, it was packed like this, very nice. So okay, this is so funny. Okay, it is here. Wow, I love that they put stuffing in this. I mean, this is a tote bag, and I'm surprised at how much they put the cushion to protect the purse itself. So anyway, let me just take this, okay, to the packaging out, and I'm going to put the box away. Okay, so here comes, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So here's my tote that I purchased a week ago. And wow, this one is actually nicer in person, guys. I mean, I saw this on the website, and I've been, I don't know, maybe Coach are actually teasing you with a lot of like new purses and everything, but I've seen this on the website all the time, but it's not available to be purchased. So when I saw this last week, that is, you could place an order for this piece, then I went ahead and ordered this tote. So this is a 100% recycled tote 42. Okay, so this is, let me just show you a little bit of a detail for this one. So our home with a rainbow right there, very lovely. Our future, and then that's the Coach logo. And okay, so this one is in color green. It says Amazon green, and it's more likely, it's not dark green, but it's not lighter green, but it's just like kind of like in the middle color. But I'm not sure if my camera is actually picking up the right color, but I love this color so much. So you guys can see the detail right there. And another, this has always been my favorite from Coach. Look at that. This one is actually made up of, it seems like a vachetta leather. Those large stitching right there. I really thought, yeah, this one is leather, and then this one is canvas. And also on the other side as well, more likely in a cream color right here on the opposite side. And let me see, on the other side as well, it's actually, yeah, it's the same thing. They did the same thing. But let me just feel the canvas. The canvas is quite thick, but as you guys, probably you guys have already remembered, and I just did an unboxing. I went to Macy's and purchased the I think the camouflage tote, as far as I could remember. That one has a very, very thick canvas. It is sturdy canvas. I think that one that has the T-Rex in it, and I think that one, if I could remember, that one is thicker than this one, the recycled tote. So it says on the website that this one is made up of water bottles. I don't know how many water bottles they use for this to recycle to come up with this purse. Maybe at least 30, I guess. I'm just guessing. But yeah, it's a good thing that these are made up of recycled materials. So anyway, on the inside, this is how it looks. Look at the patch creed right there. Well, it's no longer a patch creed. That's because there's no patch in it. But those are the Coach creed right there. It says, this is a Coach bag crafted 100% from recycled materials. It reflects our commitment to rethinking and reducing our impact on the planet. Wear it, love it, repair it, pass it on. That is amazing. And that is the code right there in the inside. Oh my goodness. And look at those rivets right here. This one is made up of brass though. And let me just pull this. Look at that. So you could just close it like this. Oh wow, this is not magnetic though. This is a snap closure. But look at that. When you snap it, it is really hard, and when you open it, yeah, it's so hard to do it. They could have done a snap magnetic closure though, but this one is a snap closure. So this one also has the leather as well. Really nice. I love that they incorporate those lovely leathers in here. And the brass hardware, look like the brass is really darker than a normal brass that I've seen. So it says there the logo, a Coach, and the inside is, okay, the inside, it has a little bit more. I don't think that's a cardboard though. So this one right there, so you guys could see at the bottom, I don't think that's a cardboard, but it's a little bit thick, which is quite nice. So this is how it looks inside. There's no pockets at all. It is just wide open, and this one is very, very soft. Okay, so let me see what it says here. Okay, they didn't put the price. I believe I paid $195 US for this piece though. I do believe that's what I paid for this. And okay, so these are just some of, they put quite a lot of stuff here. Oh yeah, it says here, like I mentioned earlier, that this one is crafted, the fabric is crafted with 25 recycled plastic bottles. Wow. Even the thread is recycled. Oh, that is very interesting. And even the tag that they printed on is recycled. So pretty much everything in this collection, this is part of the Coach Forever collection. And yeah, everything that they have here is actually recycled. So if you're interested for this piece, the product code is C6171. Wow, I love it. This one came in with other colors as well. I think that is more likely a salmon color or pink color. And I think that one is also pretty. I also ordered that. And I'm still waiting for them to ship to ship out the item. And so far right now, my first impression for this piece, I love it. I love the color. Green is one of my most favorite color. I love the detail of this. Oh, it has a hang tag though. Sorry, let me just show you that. Oh, look at that. It is nice. So this one is made up of recycled materials. Look at the hang tag right here. This one always reminds me of a Louis Vuitton luggage tag. Look at that. Look at the color. This is very nice though. I love it. And you could always take this one out and use it somewhere, anywhere, any of your purses. That looks good. I love the detail for this. I love the combination of the green and this like a vachetta, looks like a vachetta leather. It's absolutely amazing. This one is very flimsy. Just you guys know that, letting you know that this particular piece is actually flimsy. I will be doing a comparison on this recycled tote on my previous tote that I've purchased, because I have used that already when I go to the market, when I go like running errands, just so quick and easy without like, it's carefree bag. It is something that you could just toss it right in your car seat without worrying about any dirt or getting a hand sanitizer in it. So that's what I love about it. But for some reason on this particular piece, look at that, it just folds just like this. So this is made up of, once again, a recycled canvas and also a recycled leather as well. But my personal my personal take on this piece, my impression would have been the canvas is a little bit thinner compared to the one that I have previously purchased. So I think both of them are actually in the same price. And yeah, so this is actually, this one is also perfect for a book bag as well. So if you have kids at home and they wanted a book bag, I think this is also perfect. But I have to probably use this and see. I tried to make a comparison between the other one. That's because just my initial impression, it's just like, yeah, you could just easily fold it just like that. Yeah, if you, when you travel, you could actually carry this, you put it in your suitcase just like that, because yeah, you could easily fold it. So yeah, so anyway, this is my quick unboxing on the 100% recycled tote 42, and love it. Love the color, the detailed, and yeah, I can't wait to make a comparison on my other tote. And definitely this is going to be a perfect tote, perfect everyday tote though. And I'm pretty sure the laptop could fit in here. And I think I'm not sure, maybe the 15-inch laptop would fit in here. I'm not 100% sure because I've actually never put my laptop in here as well. So I cannot really, I will be doing also a what fits on this tote 42 as well. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.